This video shows how to use Check-It in Read and Write for Google Chrome. Check-It is a proofreading tool that will check for various errors in Google Docs. When you click the Check-It button, it will underline your errors in purple. Just click on an error to see the suggested corrections, and then select the word you want to use or hit Ignore. For spelling errors, you can also add the word to your personal dictionary. When Check-It is on, it's constantly checking for errors in real time as you work. You can even use the dictionary, picture dictionary, or translator with Check-It. Just hover over a suggestion to see additional context. In the Settings menu, you can manage your personal dictionary or the Read Aloud feature. This will allow you to have Check-It suggestions read aloud on hover.
Viewer.
For more information on Read and Write, visit texthelp.com.